Hello students, here is your EVS teacher. I hope so you all are fine and doing your study well. You all know students, we have started the topic parts of body and we discussed different body parts and the function performed by all those body parts. Today we will continue this topic with the next part of this topic, sense organs. What are sense organs? Students, there are so many. Our body is made up of different parts, but some of the parts of the body helps us to experience the world around us. We call them sense organs. There are some body parts that helps us to know the world around us. They provide us senses to enjoy the world. There are the organs that helps us to see the things, that helps us to smell, that helps us to feel. Those organs are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes, sight. Eyes helps us to see. We have 2 eyes and we see with our eyes. The girl is reading the book. You're watching this video. You can easily see everything around you with the help of your eyes. Even some things are far away from you at a little distance. They are little far away from you. You can easily see them with the help of your eyes. Now, nose. Nose helps us to smell. We have 1 nose. We smell with our nose. The girl is smelling the flower. You can smell perfume. You can smell the food, whether it is tasty or not. Even before tasting it, you can easily judge that food with the help of the smell, and that is possible with your nose. Nose helps us to smell the things. Now, ear. Ear helps us to hear. You are listening me, you can listen the music. You can hear different sounds around you with the help of your ears. We have 2 ears. We hear with our ears. Now, tongue. This one is tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. We have 1 tongue. We taste with our tongue. Tongue helps us to taste whether the food is sweet, whether what we are eating is sour, is salty, bitter. It can be possible with the help of tongue. Now, skin. Skin is present everywhere. Skin is the largest part of our body. Skin helps us to touch. Our skin helps us to feel. What things you touch, you can easily feel that the thing you touch is soft. Just like this girl, here it is written, we may feel that a thing is soft or hard. The girl is touching a soft toy, and the girl is touching a toy and it feels soft to her. Is possible because of the skin. Skin helps us to feel whether the thing is soft, the thing is hard. This pencil is hard. I can easily feel that with the help of my skin, as skin is everywhere. Rough. The surface is rough. This surface is smooth. Today is hot. It's cold. The tea is hot. Cold. Possible with the help of skin. Skin is present all over the body. So this is all about our today's topic, sense organs. I hope so student it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.